This is my Volvo 240. It's as classy as a cardboard box and as stylish as a salami sandwich that has a little bit of mold growing on the crust. It's a sandwich that is clearly aged, but it's still a sandwich, and I love it. And here's something that I don't love. My Traxxas 4Tech. It's purple, it's stupid, and I hate it. So I got to thinking, what would make me like this car a little bit more? Maybe if it resembled a car that I actually drive. Oh god, I just pooped my pants. Then I got a little bit more reasonable. I went on eBay and found something even a poor idiot Volvo owner like me can afford. And here I am. This is the start of how I turned my Volvo into an RC car. And finally, after several hours of prepping and painting, I'm happy to announce that it's orange? Yes, she's orange. I bought gold paint thinking that it would be close enough, and somehow it came out orange. But despite the off-putting color, I think it still turned out beautifully. I also wired LEDs into the headlights and found wheels that look very similar to what's on my actual car. Plus, they're plastic, so this bad boy can drift for days. Overall, I'm happy with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Thanks for watching if you made it this far, and stay tuned for more Junky content coming soon.
It sound right, boys.
Wow, dude, that's sick! What are you turning?
Oh, I know.
Just like...
It's just gliding.